Hello, good afternoon. We are pleased to be here today with Mr. John Bate from Cameroon, who's going to be graduating today with his doctorate in public health. If you could, please describe to us, I know you've had some amazing professional accomplishments, especially with the World Health Organization, but if you can please describe some of your most important professional accomplishments.
Yeah, I will start with when I was working with the government of Cameroon in a rural area in Cameroon, where when I got in, I noticed there was access to healthcare was very difficult. People were not going to the hospital and there were no health infrastructures. So what I did was to mobilize the community because the government, at this time, the government rather reduced salaries of functionaries, so we didn't have money to do anything. So we had to build a hospital and a few health centers. So that was my greatest achievement, I would say, because it turned around things. From attendance of 22%, it went up to 80–90%. Maternal mortality, vaccination, and all those activities came up. So that's where I developed interest in public health. Yeah, though I was a doctor, I was a clinician equally. Behind me is always to see that people have access to healthcare. So the second thing is when I moved to WHO, the most important that touched me, health policy dialogue with the government for the instauration of universal health coverage. Okay, health insurance, I would say, yeah. It took about 7 years for us to get to that law. And it was finally approved, adopted, and enacted by the head of state. So from there, we started now to implement the universal health coverage regime.
Well, that's incredible. Building hospitals, expanding coverage. You've obviously had a tremendous impact from a health perspective on your communities and country.
Yeah.
Why do you consider yourself as unique and unrepeatable? I mean, just hearing from you, we know you are unique and unrepeatable, but in your own words, what makes you unique and unrepeatable?
Some of these attributes of leadership. That's being empathic, listening to people, taking good decisions, and assuming our responsibilities, all that, and working that's teamwork.
Well, as you know, AIU has a very unique andragogic academic model. What did you think about it? What did you think about designing your own curriculum, working at your own pace?
It was amazing. I did a master's degree in public health in 2000. Since then, I've been so occupied to go to study, because of the curriculum the people have, the schools have. So with Atlantic International University, when I got to know it, I said, no, this is where I have to learn to pursue my academic challenges. Just as it is said, that study at their own pace, design your own program. So that's what I did. Yeah, so at 64, I'm graduating today at 64. So that is good for me.
I think that's wonderful. Well, Mr. Bate, it's extremely impressive. Do you have any final words for us or for any future AIU students?
What I do, I've been encouraging colleagues to register and to enroll for one or the other degree programs so that they improve on their knowledge and then see how, because what we learn here is will help us in future. I have been well groomed to take on my future career because I'll be on retirement next year. But what I've learned is going to help me to accomplish my other objectives. So I've been telling colleagues to enroll, and then the school, I see they do a lot because I find them on social media and all that. A lot of publicity. So what I say, the word is to continue.
Well, that's great. Mr. Bate, it's extremely impressive. You're obviously well-deserved of this, and congratulations on all your work, and welcome to the AIU family.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very glad for you having me here and being here in Miami for the graduation. Thank you very much, and thank you to the Atlantic International University.